Welcome to Mom's World.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's Wednesday video is going to be on the 4 seasons. So I just made like a little booklet for your little ones on the 4 seasons. So here's the cover. So on the cover, this has 4 seasons and it has the tree image of each season here. So when you open it up, it's gonna look like this. So over here you're gonna have fall, and it says in the fall the leaves start to change colors and fall off the trees. So they'll have letters here that they could color in. They have an image of a fall tree and the word fall that they can trace here. And then the next page it says in the winter it gets very cold and snowy and the trees have no leaves. And again, it's basically the same as fall. You can color in these letters, trace winter, and they can see the image of a winter tree. And the next page, is basically the same thing as fall and winter, except it's spring and summer. So spring, you have, in the spring the trees start to grow new leaves and flowers. And then it just says spring here. And summer, it says in the summer the days are warm and the trees have all their leaves again. And it shows the trees have their leaves again and the word summer that they can trace here. Then the next page has each season here with images that relate to each season that they can color. So for example, spring, you have a flower, bird, a butterfly, and a snail here that they can color. The same with summer, images that relates to summer, and images here that relates to fall and winter. And then the next pages are 2 activities for each season. So here is the fall activity. So on this page, they have to trace the leaves to the pile of leaves here. So they just trace the line. So they'll just trace each line here to get each leaf to the pile of leaves. And then here is like a simple addition activity where they just add the images here and then write the number that it equals out to. So 1 plus 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 3 equals 4. So there's 3 different ones here. So the next activity is a winter activity. So here is the winter activity. On this side, it says, how do you build a snowman? Paste the images in order of which comes first, second, and third. So you'll get you'll have these cutouts here. And then you'll just have to find the order of how you build a snowman. So you'll lay these out for your little ones, and then you'll tell them which comes first. First we roll the snow into a snowball, then we stack them together, and then we finish building we add the little details to our snowman. So then, you just glue it on. So this comes first, this comes second, and then this comes third. So that's this activity. On this page, it just says, circle the items we use in the winter. So here we just have to circle what we use in the winter. So we'll use a coat and mittens. And then on the bottom here it says, what can we make with snow? So they'll look at these images and ask themselves, what can we make with snow? Do we make an igloo with snow, a sandcastle with snow, a snowman with snow? Or can we make a snow angel with snow? So this is the winter activity. The next one is spring. So here for spring, we have some flowers, but the tops of the flowers are actually different shapes that they can trace. So here's a diamond, here's a star, and here's an oval. So they'll just trace these shapes. And here we have a little scene of it raining. So they get to trace these lines here of the raindrops, and then they can trace the word rain at the bottom here. And then the last activity is a summer activity. So here it says spot the difference. So basically they'll look at the each image here and circle which one is different. So this one is different from the rest, so you circle this sun. Again, they'll circle this popsicle, and when they look here, they'll see that this ball is different from the rest. So the last activity here says circle all the summer items. So they'll again look and see which items here relate to the summer, and they'll circle each item that are needed in the summer. So that's all for this activity. I hope you guys enjoy, and the link will be down below in the description box as always for you guys to print out. So hope you guys enjoy once again, and thank you for watching.